Hello and welcome to this week's Thought for the Week. Sutton Schoolswork is a Christian charity that works in schools all around Sutton. This week we're going to be talking about peace. So let's get started. So I wonder what comes to mind when you hear the word peace. Here's a few examples. Maybe it's the peace sign. Maybe it's hippies from the 70s. Maybe that's flower crowns or tie-dye clothing. Whatever it is, peace can mean different things for different people.
Gandhi describes peace like this. Peace isn't the absence of conflict, it's the ability to cope with it. If I asked you to go out today and find somewhere in the world that there's no conflict, no disagreements, no arguments, I think you'd find it pretty difficult to find that place. And even if I asked you to sit down now and list all the things that you could ever be worried about, stuff on the news, stuff that's going on in your family, with your friends, you'd probably be here for absolutely ages. The thing is, the world can be a worrying place at times. But that's not what the quote says. Peace isn't the absence of conflict. But how then do we develop an ability and a skill to be able to cope with the worries of the world? As Christians, when life gets worrying, when things are difficult, we know that we can turn to God. He's described as our rock and our fortress. God cares about us and wants to hear what's going on in our lives. On good days and on bad days, we can turn to him. One of the songs in the Psalms puts it like this: when my anxiety was great, your consolation brought me joy. I think that's amazing. As Christians, I know that we can turn to God and we can find joy even in situations that are difficult and heartbreaking. Maybe you can relate to this, regardless of whether you have a faith or none. When we turn to someone, when we talk to someone that we know cares about us and we know that we can trust, and we can share our worries with them, we can feel less stressed, less anxious, and more at peace.
So what does peace look like for you? As always, we like to end our videos on a challenge. So this week, what we're going to ask you to do is have a think about who brings you peace in difficult situations. Maybe that's a family member, a friend, a teacher. Whoever that may be, have a think about that person. You can draw, you can write, you can be creative however you would like to. You can use the frame in the description below that we provided if you would like to. Or perhaps you could send them a little encouragement, send them a note to say thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video this week. We hope you've enjoyed it and we look forward to seeing you again soon.